Hello, my dear friend. Glad to have you with us.
Nice to see you.
I'm just a little bit concerned about our plan to make this happen.
Don't worry. Like, I have everything like prepared in my head. I just want to check with you if you are comfortable with that. But I'm sure that's the way that you have to go. And we are going to be something like
plans
to go.
What are you planning to do?
Okay. First of all, like, we know that we have a great product. So basically what we have to reach is
we do have our competitors as well.
Yeah, but I don't think like our competitors can do exactly what we can do. Like, we can cut the cost is only like 20% or 80% of the cost. So we really can have like a reduction in cost, and we also can have like a much better time processing all the needs of our clients. But anyway, do you like me to show the strategy and comment about it?
Who are you thinking of targeting?
So first, I'm thinking about dividing, like making a matrix like this. So one side we can have the industry, and the second part we can have the region.
All the regions, okay.
The region, yep. So
you can stand up. I can. Go ahead.
Okay. So basically, like what we need to figure out, and I already have like few industries here. Is like which industry really are interested in our product.
And who you think those people are?
So first, the finance people. I've been working in IBM in the Mid-Atlantic. I think you know that. That's why you hired me.
That's why we recruited you, my friend.
And then,
even though I'm a little bit concerned that you don't know the region yet.
I don't know exactly your region, but don't worry. Like, I know every client that you have it here. And basically, like what I'm gonna do is like call my friends in Mid-Atlantic and know who they are. Be calling like what the guys are, what the name of the guys and what they need here in their headquarters or in their branches. But here we have finance. We might have like even in finance like a few sub-segments, but don't go to this area. We have the data centers, we have like pharmaceuticals farm, and we have a lot of other industries that.
And you're getting all these guys at once. How are you doing that?
I'm gonna get to this point. Don't worry, but we are gonna use like 3 reps. To each
the whole region,
to cover the whole industry and like the whole region, like each one. So basically what I'm trying to do is like we are gonna have one sales rep for each of these industries, and although might be like a little bit more expensive.
Why is that?
Because like probably gonna have more travel expenses, but it's much easier for us to find the right sales rep, somebody that's really specific and has been selling like only to finance companies or only to data centers or only to pharmaceuticals.
These guys need to be IT oriented, or are they coming from the industry? What do you think about it?
They are IT guys. They already know our industry. They already know not only the client, they know the contact names and exactly what they need. That's why I think it's easier for us to go by industry and not by region. So yeah, we might have expenses, and we have like for each region, we're gonna have like the number of big companies. So we are only like targeting the companies that have like bigger budgets and really we know that they need our products. And then we have the number of all of them. I had already all of them here in my computer.
So we're talking about how many people?
We are
how
talking
many companies, I'm sorry.
Here's like 3 people. What we think is that we have around 100 companies per industry. Okay. And our goal is to have, so from 100 companies, we're going to be calling them. We expect to have, by email and calling, around 20 or 25 companies that we manage to have a small visit or something that we can invite them and show a little bit the product, or at least invite them for a coffee, a breakfast that we are planning to give. And after this 25, our idea is to have at least 5 of these guys testing our product in less than 9 weeks, and then we end up with 1 sale in 13 weeks. So basically what we are trying to do is like 3 sales, 1 per each sales rep in 13 weeks. I know this time is really like a lot of things to do. It's difficult for us like to have one sales, but if you got it 1 client per industry, we are really in a good position because the word of mouth is coming gonna be like really spread out, and we already know like that we have like another 5 guys that already tested our product, and then we can go back.
I understand the strategy you're making. I think that the one sale has to be a little bit earlier. And I do think that once you have the sale, maybe it's time to get the CIOs together at the same place. We can do like a mini conference or a convention or whatever, or dinner or whatever. But then we have to step up or we speed up on that. It's too much of a lag time for just one sale per industry, my friend.
First, I think you read my mind. I think it's perfect that this idea to bring out those people together can be in their main industry fair, or we can do, I think it's better, like a specific event for them. But don't worry, like what we need, like in the first week I'll be like calling headhunters and try to find the sales rep. In the second week we're gonna have this, I'm gonna interview the sales rep. In the third week they are gonna study already with training, so it's like 3 weeks that I'll be like doing the calls, the emails, and training those guys that we are gonna hire. And from the third week on, they're gonna be doing this. So why we need like 13 weeks? Why don't we just go directly to a lot of companies? Because we need to have one sale. If we sell one product once for one company in this industry, we can go really tough in the whole industry. So we believe that is, and I believe, and I'm sure that you have been in the sector for a long time. It's not good to go to 150 companies and be calling them. You need really to focus and to find 1, 2, 3 that you have good contact, and the one to your product. Once you got it, then you go roll out the market.
So you think that we gotta go to the industry, not to the region at all? Like it's not one sale per state. It's a sale for the industry.
You got it. Is it okay? Thank you very much. Olha, Fred.
O bicho.